Hello friends, welcome to the channel once again. So let's do the review of the today's market and today's Nifty and Bank Nifty and view for tomorrow. So as I told you, this wave was going down. Okay, so since it is below 13 days moving average low, so the trend is down. So any say buy any thing means buying will come, then there will be a sell on rise. Okay, so today also Nifty, rather than having the gap up, it gap down actually. So gap down means it rise a little bit, and then again if you see it is down only. So tomorrow irrespective of market gap down or gap up, I will tell you what is going to happen tomorrow. So tomorrow if there is a gap down, then this can be the one of the support 15,597. So this was already been told, actually 15,600 will be the one of the support. Below this level, below this 15,600, we will see 15,400. Okay, below this we can see 15,400. So this will be the 38.2% of retracement. Again and again I am repeating the same thing, so because might be some of you have not seen my previous video, so for them only this is repetitions only. So this is where the 23.6% of retracement has been came. Okay, this is the level 23.6%. Below this level we will have 15,374, where the 38.2% or 15,400, this range, this will be the range. Okay, this will be the range. Below this level will come, and we can further rise towards the fifth move. So tomorrow what can happen? Tomorrow one thing happens, if it is a gap up, or if it market open flats or Nifty open flats, then what would happen is that this could be the one of this region 15,800 to 15,768. This region could be one of the resistance zone from where it can fall, and this can again from here 15,600 it can take support. Okay, so this you should mark this range actually. So this is the range where you can take the short. Above this level, this will be your stop loss 15,800 or 15,795 will be your stop loss for long position, okay, and this will be the major resistance. So what I am telling over here, this zone anyway 15,900, everybody knows that the ATH will be the resistance, everybody knows. But what I am telling is that I feel that 15,400 is going to come, but before that what will happen, 15,600 should clear out, means it should break below and it should come, then only 15,400 will come. Otherwise the possibility is that it will the resistance whatever it will be taken at, it will be taken at the ATH only. Okay, 15,900 level will be taken as the ATH. But before that, this middle zone could be the resistance to break through 15,400. Why I will tell you, because if you see now, this is the zigzag position, this is the zigzag zone. Okay, this is the zigzag because this has made a ABC pattern, right? This has made one ABC pattern. Let me tell you. So this has made ABC pattern. This has made ABC pattern. So this ABC pattern, when it has made, so this can go till 61.8% of this whole, this whole it can go 61.8% to 50%. 50% of this one, or 61.8% of this one, and after that what it can do, it can come again 61.8% of this extension actually. So this is one technique actually what I am telling. So this is happens a lot of time. So because of this also I used to give the perfect levels and all. So 61.8% means where it is coming, 15,600 only. It is coming to 15,600. Now if this is 15,600, if it is coming, okay, if it is not clearing this zone, then okay, this is 61.8% is only coming. So if it is not clearing, then what would happen? Otherwise this could be a zigzag, this could be ABC, and this could be like this. Otherwise this could be a zigzag, and it will go over here and it can fall. So then if here it is a zigzag, okay, if here it is a zigzag, if tomorrow here it will be a zigzag like this, sorry, if tomorrow here it will be a zigzag like this, okay, here it is a zigzag like this, here it is a zigzag, then what would happen? It can come towards this point, this A equal to this will be the hole and this will be the B, and this whatever the level it has retraced, it will come up to here. So this could be the one of the support, okay, this could be the one of the support instead of 15,400. So that thing will come later, because you don't know what the Nifty is going to make the pattern, that pattern. But what I can tell you, this is the resistance zone. From here, if it is not clearing out, then it can come down to 15,600 again. That is what I am telling you, okay. And below 15,600, I will tell you the pattern when it is making the pattern. Below 15,600, what will happen is that it is 15,400. So now if you see here, so this is 1.618%, it is coming 15,600, right? And 2.61% is 15,450 only. So where this wave will complete, retracement will complete, and what will happen is that I am talking about this wave, okay, this wave, the complete correction will finish, the complete correction of this wave will finish, which will be the 50% of this one, 15,400 something coming, okay. And the here one path is that it should not breach this level, okay, it should not come like this. If it is coming like this, then whole correction has been completed over of this wave. And what will happen, this will be 1, then we can make here 2, which will be a pattern like this, and then only it will go to ATH. So those are the things what I am telling. It is a future, but future means this future correction or something, if it is going to happen, until unless it is clear, all these levels are going to break, we don't know that it is going to happen like this. But tomorrow there can be like this, and resistance can happen, and it can come again over here, okay, it can come again over here like this, okay, 61.8%. Or if this is okay, if this is happen, this is ABC is happening over here, then what it can do, what I was telling you, this one equal to this one, and it can come and 15,400 where it can take support. So I'll let me once again do the same thing. So if it is coming also, we can check this one, what is the ratio it is coming, what is the ratio it coming, okay, see, it is coming here 15,490 500 or something like this. So okay, it is coming over here. So this could be the one of the support. So we'll check tomorrow what is going to happen. Lot of supports and resistance are there, because for tomorrow I am not sure about the trend what is going to form by the Nifty trend analysis. But what I can give you, as all people give you the levels and support zone and all those things, for tomorrow my level and support is like this only. So So believe me, this one is leave it. Okay, so my level of support will be this 15,800 to this one. This will be the one of the resistance zone, so you mark it over here. Okay, you mark it over here, and this will be the support 15,600. I feel still the support will hold even if it is a tomorrow, if it is a gap down also, because RSI is showing over sold. Okay, RSI is showing oversold, and if you see this is the resistance zone over here. I am talking a lot of things. So this is the resistance zone over here, and if it is going to clear, only this is going to clear. Okay, this is going to clear. This is the one of the resistance zone, this is the another one. So you okay, so here this is if this is getting clear, then this will go to ATH. If this is going to clear, if this resistance zone is going to clear, then this is going to 65 level, where we can see 15,900 easily. Okay, from where it can take the resistance. But tomorrow what I feel that it will go, and then again it can fall. Okay, uh, but I'm not sure about this, frankly speaking. Tomorrow trend, I don't know. It can go over here and it can fall, then it can do like this or something like this. So this trend we have to check. Okay, so this is the this is the one zone I am giving you. So please work with the zone. Tomorrow and now Nifty is sell on rise only. Okay, until unless it is above 13 days moving average high. So any rise will come, please free to sell. That is what I have also today also I told you that Nifty is sell on rise, right? So that's it, guys. Hope okay, we'll check the Nifty Bank also. Okay, coming to Nifty Bank, see, finally still it has not breached this level. Okay, this is one, and this box is actually two. If it is breaching this one, so still see 34,000 still. What I was telling is that Nifty Bank is weak, and it need to come to this trend, this one trend line, and after that it could take some support actually. Okay, but after coming to trend line also, it has not yet taken the any support. If you see, if it has not yet taken any support, so we'll check tomorrow what is going to happen. This is one of the support, major support I could feel. So today also, see, it actually come over here only. It actually, this one, this was the this one, this okay, 1 minute. So if you see, so now today also, if it is tomorrow, if it is clearing out this one, then we could see a fall. Okay, we could see a fall, and we could see again what level we see the 33,010 actually. Nifty, if it is below, if it is trading below this 34,382, if it is below this, then we are coming to 33,287. So this is one of the support where it can take the support, and another support is 33,115. Okay, if it is breaking this zone, if it is not breaking this zone, then tomorrow if it's trading above 34,883, 34,883, then so this could be the one of the resistance zone. Okay, this could be the one of the resistance zone, and here, from here, if it is again it is taking the resistance, then you can say that it will break. Okay, it will break this zone. So this is the zone. Yesterday also I told you this is the zone. So with this zone it will work. Okay, so with this zone it will work. So Nifty, so today let's see the trend, what is going to happen, and then from Monday to Thursday I can give you the trend actually, what will be the trend. But trend is weak as of now. So let's see that, let's hope that market Nifty or Nifty Bank will clear all this 34,882, where it could rise. Okay, where it could rise from here. As possibility, as our possibility was that after this it should rise over here, and this could be the possible 1 2, and we could see 38,000. and the third move. So let's see what is happening tomorrow. um, this is one of the Nifty Bank. This is one of the trend, actually trend setter. Let's see, let's check tomorrow. Okay, hope your trading tomorrow will be good. Check with the price action and my levels, and check it and take your trade accordingly. Okay, bye.